A Bradenton woman was found dead this afternoon in the 6300 block of 11th Street Court East. The fire department found a large amount of carbon monoxide also in her home. Manatee County Sheriff's Office reports 45-year-old Tracy Hamilton was found dead in her garage. Detectives say they have reason to believe a car was running inside the closed garage. Hamilton worked 2 jobs and lived with her daughter, who was out of town. Authorities say no foul play suspected at this time. Hamilton's stepfather, Kenny Dixon, says she's been having car problems, and he says that this was definitely an accident.
You know, we're so full of life and so full of love for people. Everybody loves her. You can tell by all the people being out here. You know, just loved her, and she had so much, you know, to live for. So.
Stay tuned to SNN for updates on this developing story.